Grace, what did you just do?
I told him I couldn't make lunch.
And that you were going for Kizomba lessons. Was that really necessary?
Should I lie?
What has gotten into you? You have spent your whole life praying, fasting, fighting, and God knows what, just to get your husband's attention. Today you have the attention and you are throwing it to the dogs?
Yes. And now that I know he's a toothless bulldog, I'm not worried at all.
La ilaha illallah summa talawul azim.
I'm off to dance.
Why?
Hey, let's go.
I'm not coming with you.
Kizomba.
Hey, Babylon, why do you sneak up on me like that?
I tried though. I tried my best. Back to the dog life. Pound for pound.
You must be happy now, huh? You got what you wanted.
What have I done?
You know, anytime Daddy dresses up like this, he's going out to chase all these small girls in town.
And how is that supposed to be my fault? Look elsewhere.
Are you blaming Mom?
I had never said anything.
See, it takes two to tango.